This is the Milwaukee Contractors backpack. This is an installation bag, and this is what we carry. So we carry the Wearer Joker spanner, self-adjusting, brilliant tool. Nipex grips. These are the main ones we carry. Rothenberger adjustable, great for gas meters. Milwaukee snips, boat level, 22 and 15mm olive cutters by Rothenberger, and then there's obviously an electrical screwdriver, plastic cutters for condensate pipe, wire cutters and strippers, heavy duty grips, gloves, definitely when you're working on lusters, multimeter, testing for safe electrical isolation, and then on the bottom I have liquid PTFE, which is brilliant. I put that on olives, swear by it. It is an actual thread compound. Loctite 577, Loctite 555, and then the flux is Lacquer flux. Everflux, brilliant if you've got that little bit of water in the pipe. It does solder it. And the Fluxinator and solder. Last but not least, PVC cement for condensates. In here is a little compartment in here. I have all my mark pens and pencils. Little compartment here, guys. I keep all my fibre strips in there. And then in the back I keep revolver blade XL, for multi-tool blade sharpening. I also have a small version as well, and then pipe cleaners. These are brilliant, these ones. Voya 1, Voya 1, and that's the 15mm. Yep, 15mm Voya 1. And then I've got the 22mm one as well in the bottom. That's a 22mm one. Saves a lot of time, especially if you've got paint on the pipes as well. Voya 1, they're actually doing an offer on those at the moment on Amazon. And then last but not least, some Allen keys in there as well. So basically, guys, that's what our installation bag carries.